In this video, I'm assembling a custom sling bag equipped with a Raspberry Pi, 2 Wi-Fi adapters, a GPS receiver, and HackRF, and a cooling system. I start by installing a 40mm by 10mm cooling fan. It's compact, but powerful enough to help maintain optimal temperatures for the system I'm building. With the powered USB hub installed, the system is ready to support multiple devices without overloading the Raspberry Pi. It also provides the flexibility to add more peripherals in the future, such as Bluetooth adapters or additional Wi-Fi adapters. I'm positioning the GPS receiver. I make sure to place it in a spot with good signal reception and secure it firmly to avoid any movement during use. This is the cable that powers the USB hub, which I will later connect to the power bank. This coaxial cable is for the HackRF, allowing me to position the antenna in a convenient location. ALFA NETWORK Wi-Fi adapter removed from its case operates on the 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. Of course, this Wi-Fi adapter supports monitor mode and packet injection, making it ideal for penetration testing, simple monitoring, or wardriving. I'm now installing the HackRF. This device is a versatile software-defined radio capable of transmitting and receiving a wide range of frequencies. This switch controls the Wi-Fi access point I've configured on the Raspberry Pi. When enabled, it allows me to connect from my smartphone and use remote desktop software to access and control the Raspberry Pi. I'm using a Raspberry Pi 4 with a heatsink and standoffs, but it's also possible to install the Raspberry Pi 5 or the Pi 4 without standoffs. A second ALFA network adapter, identical to the first, is included to improve spectrum monitoring by covering more channels simultaneously. Additionally, having two adapters is essential for experimenting with advanced penetration testing techniques that require dual adapter setups. Now, all that's left is to connect a few more cables. Keeping the cable secured will be helpful when using it in a vertical position outside the sling bag, placed on a surface. The Velcro straps provide greater flexibility in choosing the power bank to use. On this side, you can see 4 threaded holes, which can be used for a fixed installation or to create custom mounts. I selected a wideband antenna for the HackRF. It is suitable for receiving signals in the sub-gigahertz band, as well as ADS-B signals transmitted by aircraft transponders, GSM, LTE, and Wi-Fi signals. I replaced the original antennas of the Wi-Fi adapters with more compact ones, but it's still possible to use the original antennas when operating outside the sling bag or to install directional antennas. The USB ports on the hub are easily accessible, and it is possible to install bulky devices that extend upwards. The sling bag is equipped with ventilation grids, with both the air intake and exhaust located at the bottom. Upcoming videos will cover how I configured the Raspberry Pi and how I use it from my smartphone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.